Alrighty, so we're going to do the PVCT. Kind of a tongue twister. The units we will be using is inches. I'm going to change it to inches. We're going to select the top plane. We're going to go to sketch. We're going to go to the circle command. We're going to go to the origin. We're going to type in the diameter, and we know that we are in diameter because it says diameter and it is checked. We're then going to type in the diameter, the outer diameter of 1.313, and we're going to go to features and extrude. We're going to select mid-plane. We're going to type in our distance of 3.125 and green check. Alrighty. And we're going to select the right plane, go Control 8. We're going to hit the sketch. We're going to draw another circle. And how big is this circle? It's going to be 1.063. Green check. Features extrude. We're going to extrude outward of 1.125. Yes, 1.25. Oh, and hit green check. We're going to select this face, go Control 7, Control 8, and sketch. We're going to put a hole in this, the counter bore. Actually, no, let's just go. Let's just do the counter bore, or correction, the socket. So, how big is this socket going to be? It's going to be 1.058. Oh, no, it's not going to be 1.058. It's going to be 0.848. There we go. Features extrude cut. We're going to select this for the draft. It's a draft of 0.5. And we are going to go, how far? 0.690. Alrighty, that looks like we're doing that right. Alrighty, so then we're going to go up on top, go Control 8, sketch, draw a circle, find the origin. There we go. And for this one, we're going to just cut a hole straight through it. So we're going to go 0.824, green check, features extrude cut. We're going to select through all and green check. We're then going to go to sketch again. I'm going to select this plane, go to the center. We're going to go to the center and do our tapered socket. I don't know why, but that word seems hard for me to say. Tapered socket of 1.058. Features, extrude cut. We want to enable our draft of 0.5. And the depth is 0.720. Alrighty, we're going to green check it. Control 7, that looks right. So then we're going to go to mirror. You're going to select this face. Oops, take that back. I'm going to pre-select the top plane. I'm going to go to mirror. I'm going to select this face. As you see in that yellow, that's where it's going to mirror about. Or not mirror about, it's going to cut all of that for me. So I'm going to hit green check, make sure it did, and it did. So I'm going to select the inside of this face, go Control 7, Control 8, sketch. We're going to draw a circle. I do not know what happened just right there, because I did not just cut a hole through that. Control Z. How did that happen? So we're going to go Control 8. We're going to sketch. We're going to go right here. Then we're going to add the hole that goes to the next surface. So it's going to be a hole of 0.622, green check, features, and extrude cut. We're going to select up to next surface. Now it wants us to select the surface we want it to go up to. So we're going to select this surface right here and green check. And we're going to double check, make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to do. Looks like it is. Control 7. And now we're going to do our let's say fillet. We're going to select the fillet command. We're going to select the curve that we want to do, which is right there. And it says a radius of 0.100. Put a green check. It's thinking. 0.1, yeah, green check. There we go, finally did it. And I believe that is completely correct. I'm going to double check by going to section view. I'm going to look at this part right here. That looks like it's been tapered. That has been tapered. Did not go through here, so everything looks right. So I'm going to go out of this. Ah, dang it. I'm going to remove this. And I hit Control Z too many times. So I guess it looks like I get to do this again. Features, extrude cut. Up to next surface. I select that surface. Green check. Yeah. It's a little glitchy today. And I'm going to do that fillet one more time just because it just apparently doesn't like me today. There we go. So we already know it's correct. We're going to edit the material. The material is PVC, rigid PVC. We want to go to the plastics. And it is PVC rigid. Apply and close. Control 7. I'm going to section view it real quick. Ooh. Everything looks right. Now let's go to the evaluate. So our mass properties are 0.05. The mass is 0.1 and volume is 2.23 cubic inches. Alrighty. And that is how you make the PVC T. There we go. Alrighty.